So my name is Muhammad D. Abdul Manan, BSIT. So basically this one is actually working. So this is about infrared receiver. So as you can see, I have a remote right here. It's so different from other remote, because in other remotes they have like a channel or other thing that they have. So here's just okay, and just a random buttons with hash and something star. So basically, as you can see, this is the code, and we have this serial monitor, and we have this code which is for our numbers. Now I'm not sure, mom, if this one is working, or actually this one is working. Look, it's light, but can you, mom, every time I press this anything, it's not really working, even though kahit tanggalin ko yung plastic. Say tanggalin ko yung plastic, so there's no plastic anymore. Now I tried to press anything, so walang lumalabas na, let's say I'm pressing number 3. So basically this number 3, you must print actually this must be print in here. So there's, I don't know, mom, if this is the right remote, or but actually this one is really working, which is in the blue one, this one is the like the M1, the M, which is it connected to 7, and then for the yellow one, which is the 5G. Yep, which is the 5G is connected here in the middle, which is that's the positive. Now as you can see in the red, that's the ground. Now in the red one, in the left of this is a negative. So yeah, basically it's really working, but the problem is just the remote. I don't know if this is the right remote or nasira ba to. Actually it's not really it's not really working, mom, basically, mom. So even though I changed the code with some star or etc, it's not really working, mom. But yeah, this one works. This one works. So no error. It's just the remote. So yeah, that's it.